This,
Well, these are all robot monsters,
yeah,
including that one.
yeah.
These are all from a film called Saddle Tramp
Mm-hmm.
that I did with Joel McRae and Rhonda Hendricks.
Oh, wow.
This one and that one are from a film called Let's Dance with Betty Hutton and Fred Astaire.
That was the one you said that was your second movie, you said.
Yes,
Yeah.
second film. And of course,
The
Superman.
Superman.
Wanted to get a picture with Statler and Waldorf, so I decided I wanted to get.
Oh, wow.
Uh-huh.
That's cool. Oh.
Yeah, I just bought that. So not only was it it's not quite as a line of instructors out there wanted for doing this.
Yeah.
But I'm going to get a lot of line.
Oh, yeah.
I was at Lenny's Lodge last month, but he was there. He was out that night,
Oh.
so the senior ward didn't take it. But he's up in the northern neck.
Okay.
He's in Westmoreland County.
They don't live in Richmond anymore?
No, he's in Westmoreland County.
Okay.
Well, it's on the Potomac.
Uh-huh.
He's basically that's the county Washington was born in, as was
Right.
the Lee family and President McLeod.
Oh, wow.
So they're all doing that.
Okay.
He's still
This one you paid those out, right now it's canceled.
Oh.
and the son, I think, is working there
Which son?
I'll be right back.
too. Well, the one that's in the lodge.
Okay. 'Cause I know Joe wanted me to do his wedding, and they broke off the engagement, I think. Yeah, I think it was Joe who asked me. There's Aaron, I think one, and Jacob, right? And then the daughter.
I think for some reason, Aaron's ringing up there.
Okay.
I'll know. I'll find out.
Yeah.
But they're both, because I remember going to a son's degree.
Okay.
But yeah, he's up there now. He is master this year. This is the third lodge he's master.
Lenny is.
Lenny is.
Oh, wow.
And
Small
next
world.
year I'll be my third lodge.
I haven't seen him in a long time. Yeah. Send regards if you see him.
I will.
All right. Thank you. Yeah. I used to live in Virginia. And he's from Virginia, so he's a mutual friend that he knows.
Oh, very.
Small world.
Yeah, it is rather amazing.
How many children do you have?
We have 7,
Okay.
and 2 of them making their own monster show.
Are they
They call
really?
themselves the Vampire Sisters, and I do my own. It's Rabbi Joe's Midnight Monster Manor,
I love it.
and I've done 13 episodes already.
I love it.
Very.
Yeah,
You put them online?
it's on YouTube. Yeah,
Yeah.
mine's on YouTube. They're on YouTube, but it's unlisted, so we only like share it with friends and family, but because they're kids. Mine is Rabbi Joe's Midnight Monster Manor, and I've done 13 episodes already.
Well, your kids are so sweet.
Oh, thank
They
you.
are so sweet.
Thank
I'm
you.
trying to remember which one of the boys was it 2 years ago when we were here that had a picture taken with
Saul, probably. Saul is very
Yes,
well.
yes.
Saul is good friends with Bob Furmanak.
Yes, yes.
So like he talks to Bob all the time, like just
That's
like
cool.
yeah, and like you weren't there at Film Forum when Bob showed in Manhattan, no. Yeah, so we saw that at Film Forum, and he loved it. He was just like, because it's different. Have you seen the film with the not the blue and green 3D, with the black and white 3D?
Yes.
It's
Polaroid
the
copies.
polarized.
All the difference.
It's much better. I think it looks real.
Yeah,
it looks
there's no
real.
doubt.
But this was a very good. This still came out very good.
Yeah.
This was nice to see. It's. I mean, I remember seeing it on VHS when I was a kid. On Rhino home video, and I don't think the version I had was 3D.
No.
Yeah.
Nothing on TV.
Yeah, I had
Through all those years.
Rhino Video had Catwomen from the Moon with a few scenes in 3D, and that was the same filmmaker, I think. And it was only a few scenes that were in 3D, and the 3D was awful.
Yeah.
And it was on VHS, and I was like, is that what 3D was like? I was like, but then when I saw this, because the Polaroids is how it originally was.
Yes.
It wasn't.
Bob was the one that found the two
Right.
really good reels.
Yeah.
And then he had a 15-year court fight
Wow.
to get the rights to play with it
Wow.
or to work with
Well,
it.
he did a great job because
He sure did.
it makes all the difference seeing that movie
It's
in
beautiful.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah, I know.
It's still a lot of fun to watch, and I've seen it a gazillion
Yeah.
times. But I can't watch it with the 3D glasses on.
No.
For some
No,
reason,
me-
it makes me dizzy.
Yeah.
My glasses get in the way.
Yeah.
But I know the
red
story
blue.
well enough that it doesn't bother me to
Yeah.
not have the glasses on because
I remember you said when you were a kid, your mother would never let you see your own work.
Oh no,
Yeah.
not at all.
You
Sharon the same way.
Yeah. And
Yeah, we never got to watch.
Wouldn't let you?
no.
Why?
that included television.
Yeah, she didn't
Wow.
want us to be our own critics. She wanted us to listen to directors and pay attention, and to her.
Yeah.
We'd run lines with her, and she'd talk about expression and how to say a sentence necessarily, given the circumstances. No, you need to do this. No, you just got to say it this way.
Oh, so it wasn't that she didn't want it to go to your head.
Partly,
Partly
but
also,
she
yeah.
didn't want us to be self-critics.
Wow.
She was certain it would affect our performances.
Uh-huh.
Do what the director wants.
Yeah.
That was her primary role.
Okay. Wow.
The only people you listen to are me and the director.
Yeah. And you did school while you were on the. Oh, your sister was more on the set. Did you do school on the set, or you went to regular school, or?
When you're under contract, you have to go to a studio school. But when you're not under contract,
You went to
I
regular.
was in regular.
So you went back and forth, and
I had a 2-year deal with Paramount.
Oh.
Sharon was 7 years.
yeah, I know, yeah.
And before and after that, I went to regular kindergarten
Right.
and first grade, and then I signed the contract. Her mom signed it for me.
Right.
And then after third grade, I went back into regular school, and I
Oh,
finished. Never.
Our kids each, nationwide or just in New York, but like you get one freebie without joining the Actors Guild or something,
Oh, really?
without joining the union. When you're under 18, you're only allowed to do one. So they each did one. It was a German movie. They filmed it either in Kingston or Poughkeepsie, New York, upstate, and used CGI to make it look like Manhattan. Hasidic Jews